A girl in Houston now dealing with a bizarre condition that has her constantly sneezing. She's 12, and she's got a lot of sympathy for me. Caitlin Thornley's problem started about 3 weeks ago. It gets worse when she's stressed out. Her parents say that she sometimes sneezes 20 times a minute.
What happens when you do go to school?
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets... I don't care what they do. I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too...
I bet. Terribly uncomfortable. She's seen a number of specialists, but they're all stumped. Caitlin gets some relief from soothing music, but it is only temporary. Siegel could cure this woman. I guarantee it, McCallum.
We're going to get him right on it.
You're growing up, right?
Even bigger is